Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's our topic second order linear differential equations with variable coefficients. So continuation of method 2. So in previous video I will explain method 1, so that is changing dependent variable when the part of complementary function is known. So in this video I will explaining the changing dependent variable and remove the first derivative. So this is also called as normal form. So first let us take the second order linear differential equation. So that is d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y equal to r of x. So this is our second order linear differential equation. So in this, the general solution of equation 1 is y equal to uv. So here u equal to e power minus half of integration of p of x dx. So here u value e power minus half integration of p of x dx, and the normal form that is d square v by dx square plus iv equal to s. So this is the normal form of given equation 1. I equal to q minus 1 by 4 p square minus 1 by 2 into dp by dx, and s value is r by u. So therefore v equal to complementary function plus particular integral of this normal form equation. So the combining these two complementary and particular integral equations, then we get the v value. Say therefore our final general solution y equal to uv. Let me explain the problems on normal form. So here I am taking problems. So first problem, y double dash minus 4x into y dash plus 4x square y equal to e power x square. So this is in the form of second order linear differential equation. So here p equal to minus 4x and q equal to 4x square and r equal to e power x square. So here we have the formulas, that is u equal to e power minus half into integration of p of x dx. So therefore u equal to e power minus half into integration of here p of x value minus 4x dx. So e power minus into minus plus, so 4 by 2, that is 2. So e power integration of 2x dx. So that is equal to e power 2 into integration of x value x square by 2. So here 2 cancel, therefore u equal to e power x square. Okay, so then normal form, and so here I equal to q minus 1 by 4 of p square minus 1 by 2 into dp by dx. So q value 4x square minus 1 by 4 into minus 4x whole square minus 1 by 2 into d by dx of minus 4x. So 4x square minus 1 by 4 into this value 16x square plus here 4 by 2 is 2, d by dx of x 1. So 4x square 16 by 4, that is 4x square plus 2. So minus 4x square plus 4x square cancel, here I equal to 2. Next, to find the value of s. So s equal to r by u. So therefore s equal to here r value e power x square by u value is also e power x square. So s equal to 1. S equal to 1. Then normal form. Then to find normal form. So what is the formula for normal form? D square v by dx square plus iv equal to s. So here d square v by dx square plus iv. So I value 2v equal to 1, s equal to 1. So this is our normal form formula. So this is in the form of linear differential equation. So here I am writing auxiliary equation, that is m square plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore m equal to plus or minus square root of 2i. So therefore auxiliary equation roots m equal to plus or minus 2i. So therefore I am writing complementary function, that is c1 cos root x 2 plus c2 sin root 2x. So here e power alpha x value, that is alpha equal to 0. So therefore e power alpha x value is 1. So c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x. Next to find the particular integral. So particular integral, that is 1 by f of d into e power x. So 1 by here f of d value d square plus 2 into e power 0x. E power 0x. Because here q of x value is 1. So in place of 1 I am writing that is e power 0x, substituting d equal to 0. So that is 1 by 2 e power 0x, that is 1. So therefore particular integral equal to 1 by 2. So therefore v equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x plus particular integral 1 by 2. So this is the v value. So therefore our general solution of given problem, that is y equal to u into v. So y equal to u value, u equal to e power x square plus c1 cos root 2x e power x square into c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x plus 1 by 2. So this is our required general solution of given problem. So I am taking one more problem, that is y double dash minus 2 by x into y dash plus n square plus 2 by x square into y equal to 0. So here x value is greater than 0. So in this here p equal to minus 2 by x and q equal to n square plus 2 by x square and r value 0. So first to find u value. So u equal to e power minus 1 by 2 integration of p of x dx. So e power minus 1 by 2 into integration of minus 2 by x dx. So minus into minus plus 2 cancel, integration of 1 by x, that is log x. So this value is x. So therefore u equal to x. Next to find the I value. So I equal to q minus 1 by 4 p square minus 1 by 2 dp by dx. So q minus, so q value n square plus 2 by x square minus 1 by 4 into p square minus 2 by x whole square minus 1 by 2 into d by dx of p minus 2 by x. So n square plus 2 by x square, here minus 1 by 4 into 4 by x square minus into minus plus 2 cancel, d by dx of 1 by x. So that is minus 1 by x square. So n square plus 2 by x square minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. So n square plus 2 by x square minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. So that is minus 2 by x square. So plus 2 by x square minus 2 by x square cancel, that is n square. So therefore I equal to n square. Next to find s value. So s equal to r by u. So here r value is 0. So therefore s equal to 0. Next to find the normal form. So the normal form, that is d square v by dx square plus iv equal to s. So d square v by dx square plus iv n square v equal to 0. So here auxiliary equation m square plus n square equal to 0, then m equal to plus or minus ni. So complementary function, that is equal to c1 cos nx plus c2 sin nx. So this is the complementary function. So here q of x value is 0. So there is no need to find the particular integral value, that is 0. So therefore v equal to complementary function plus particular integral, then v equal to c1 cos nx plus c2 sin nx. So therefore general solution of given problem y equal to uv. Therefore y equal to x into c1 cos nx plus c2 sin nx. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.